Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will explore cultural psychology, an intriguing field dedicated to understanding how culture shapes human thought, emotion, and behavior. Cultural psychology examines the ways in which cultural contexts influence the psychological processes of individuals and groups. Today, we will delve into the foundational concepts, key theories, and significant studies in cultural psychology, as well as the profound implications of this field for understanding human diversity. Defining cultural psychology. What is cultural psychology? Cultural psychology is the study of how cultural contexts impact psychological functioning. It investigates the mutual constitution of culture and mind, emphasizing that human psychology is deeply embedded in cultural frameworks. Historical background. Cultural psychology emerged as a distinct field in the late 20th century, building on the work of psychologists like Lev Vygotsky, who emphasized the social and cultural basis of cognitive development, and anthropologists like Clifford Geertz, who highlighted the importance of cultural interpretation. Core concepts and theories. Mutual constitution of culture and mind. Cultural psychology posits that culture and mind are mutually constitutive. This means that cultural contexts shape psychological processes, and in turn, individuals' thoughts and behaviors contribute to the development and perpetuation of culture. Cultural relativity. The concept of cultural relativity suggests that psychological phenomena cannot be fully understood without considering the cultural context. What may be considered normal or abnormal, rational or irrational, varies across cultures. Emic and etic approaches. Cultural psychologists use emic, culture specific, and etic, universal, approaches to study psychological phenomena. The emic approach focuses on understanding behavior within a specific culture, while the etic approach seeks universal patterns across cultures. Key areas of study. Cultural influences on cognition. Research in this area examines how cultural factors affect cognitive processes such as perception, memory, and problem solving. For example, studies have shown that East Asian cultures, which emphasize holistic thinking, process information differently from Western cultures, which emphasize analytical thinking. Cultural influences on emotion. Cultural psychology explores how emotions are experienced, expressed, and regulated in different cultural contexts. For instance, research has found that while pride is a positive emotion in many Western cultures, it can be viewed as socially disruptive in some East Asian cultures. Cultural influences on self concept. This area investigates how culture shapes individuals' self concepts and identities. Marcuse and Kitayama's seminal work on independent and interdependent self-construals illustrates how Western cultures often promote an independent self, while many Asian cultures emphasize an interdependent self. Influential studies and theories. Hofstede's Cultural Dimensions Theory. Gert Hofstede's research identified several dimensions of culture, such as individualism versus collectivism, power distance, and uncertainty avoidance, which help explain variations in behavior and attitudes across cultures. Vygotsky's sociocultural theory. Lev Vygotsky's theory emphasizes the fundamental role of social interaction and cultural tools in cognitive development. His concept of the zone of proximal development highlights the importance of guidance and collaboration in learning. Marcuse and Kitayama's self-construal theory. Hajel Marcuse and Shinobu Kitayama's theory of independent and interdependent self-construals explains how cultural contexts influence the way individuals perceive themselves and their relationships with others. Applications and implications. Cross-cultural communication. Understanding cultural psychology is crucial for effective cross-cultural communication, reducing misunderstandings and promoting collaboration in multicultural settings. Global mental health. Cultural psychology informs global mental health initiatives by recognizing the cultural specificity of mental health concepts and practices, leading to more culturally sensitive interventions. Education. Educators can apply cultural psychology principles to create inclusive learning environments that respect and incorporate diverse cultural perspectives, enhancing educational outcomes for students from different backgrounds. Limitations and challenges. Complexity of cultural influences. The interplay between culture and psychology is complex and multifaceted, making it challenging to draw definitive conclusions or create universal models. Ethnocentrism. Researchers must be vigilant against ethnocentrism, the tendency to view one's own culture as superior, which can bias interpretations and conclusions. Evolving cultural contexts. Cultures are dynamic and constantly evolving, requiring ongoing research to understand contemporary cultural influences on psychology. Conclusion. Cultural psychology offers profound insights into the ways in which our cultural contexts shape our minds, emotions, and behaviors. By embracing the diversity of human experiences and recognizing the significance of culture in psychological processes, we can foster greater empathy, understanding, and collaboration across cultures. Thank you for joining this journey through cultural psychology. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/@iscompanion.